Hi, Professor Stevens here, and this is week 7 in our CIS354 class, Technology for Healthcare Professionals. This week you'll notice that we have an assignment 3 due, a PowerPoint presentation that's worth 250 points. That's a lot for any one assignment. So what I thought I would do is I would break this down into 4 different videos, each video about 10 minutes. And I want to step us through all of the pieces that go into this assignment. First, I'd like to start us off just by making sure that we understand what goes in the assignment, and we're going to view the rubric to do that. In viewing the rubric, you can see that we want 10 slides that's going to be submitted to the hospital education department, along with the definition of the chosen diagnosis from a previous assignment 1 and 2. After we include the definition, we want a basic explanation of the symptoms. We also want to include a map. We want to include a link, a description of 3 websites. We want to include 1 embedded video. We want to include 1 animation. We want to include 1 transition slide. And we want to make sure that all of our writing mechanics and formatting are correct. So we're going to break those 8 pieces down into 4 videos. Let me just exit the rubric here briefly. These are the descriptions of what we're going to work on. And so what I just go ahead and do is start us out on this particular assignment. Now I want to remind you of the template that I posted in course announcements called Duarte's 5 Rules for PowerPoint Presentations. And I posted that for a purpose. This particular format is very interesting, it's very engaging, and it has some nice examples of animation and transition. So I'd like to start us here with this video to see what this format looks like and how to think about creating animation and transition. To do that, I'm going to go to my Start menu and I'm going to open PowerPoint. As I open PowerPoint, what I want to do is I want to realize that in these templates here is the template that I'm looking for. If I just search for it and I call it Duarte's 5 Rules, you'll see it comes up right here and I can click on it, 1 left click, and I have the template itself opening. As it opens the template, I can choose Create, and so now I'm going to use this template. I want to watch the slideshow in slideshow view. If you have not seen it, I would like for you to watch the entire video. I'm going to take us through about the first 10 slides. In PowerPoint, I click on the slideshow tab at the top and I choose from beginning. I can also tap F5 on the keyboard and you'll see the presentation begin. Here we go.
Presentations are a powerful communication medium. For more than 20 years, Duarte has developed presentations to launch products, align employees, increase company value, and propel global causes. Along the way, we have discovered 5 simple rules for creating world-changing presentations. The first rule is, treat your audience as king.
Okay, so I would like again for you to take a look at that. After you've looked at that, what I want to do is I want to examine the slides, transitions, and animations that are used in this presentation. For example, on slide number 9, this one right here, in normal view, and normal, just see we're in normal view, we want to change the zoom level of the slide pane by zooming out so that you can see the end of the plant to the right of the slide. See how it's going off the page here? Went the wrong way, didn't I? Let me go this way. You can see that this, there. Do you see how the plant is off of the slide? We can pick each object to see how the animation is applied. We go to the animations pane and we open up the animation pane. When I pick the plant, you can see these are all of the animations associated with this plant growing across the slide.